Hello everyone, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Today I'm going to share with you a simple, all-natural home remedy that works wonderfully to melt away cellulite. This is a problem many of us are dealing with. The first time I tried this amazing cellulite solution, I was blown away about how well it worked. My name is Lynn Gines. I love helping women to find affordable, natural solutions for your health and home life without the worry of toxins or expensive drugs with side effects. If you'd like to know more about how to use essential oils, I have a link below for my free guide called The Mom's Guide to Essential Oils. Go ahead and grab yours today. It gives you dilution recommendations, a quick reference guide, roller bottle recipes, and more helpful oily solutions. The fabulous all-natural recipe I'm sharing with you today, I like to call the cellulite melt-away. But first, let's talk a bit about what causes cellulite. Little is known about what exactly causes cellulite, but here's what we do know. Cellulite involves fibrous connection cords that tether the skin to the underlying muscle, with fat lying between. As fat cells accumulate, they push up against the skin while the long, tough cords pull down and create uneven surface, or that unattractive dimpling on our skin. Hormonal factors play a large role in the development of cellulite. Genetics determine skin structure, skin texture, and body type. Other factors like weight and muscle tone can affect whether or not you have cellulite, though even very fit people can have it. Cellulite is much more common in women than in men. In fact, most women develop some cellulite after puberty. This is because women's fat is typically distributed in the thighs, hips, and buttocks. Cellulite is also more common with aging as the skin loses elasticity. Weight gain can make cellulite more noticeable, but some lean people have cellulite as well. An inactive lifestyle can increase your chances of having cellulite as well as pregnancy. Luckily, I have a simple solution that works wonders to melt away cellulite. Let's go through the key ingredients that make this recipe so effective. Grapefruit essential oil, known for its ability to reduce fat accumulation and improve blood circulation. Next, lemon essential oil helps detoxify the skin and body, enhancing the appearance and texture of the skin. Peppermint essential oil boosts blood flow and has a cooling effect and can help reduce inflammation and puffiness. Ginger essential oil stimulates circulation and can help improve skin elasticity. Cinnamon essential oil helps increase blood flow to the skin surfaces, which can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. So now let's make some cellulite melt-away recipe. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some fractionated coconut oil and MetaPower oil. doTERRA's MetaPower oil is a blend of all these powerful essential oils I just mentioned. MetaPower oil has just the right balance that is highly effective at teaching your fat cells to release fat molecules. It does its job very well. So the recipe is simple. You're just going to pour a half a bottle of MetaPower essential oil into almost 4 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. Now, I know that you can use different kinds of coconut oil. I choose doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil because all the impurities are taken out of this oil. So some coconut oils will be solid sometimes and liquid other times. Not doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. All of the impurities are taken out, so it's always going to be in a liquid form, and the more pure, the better for me. So you're just going to pour half of your 15 milliliter bottle into your fractionated coconut oil, and you can easily just put a pump on the top. I've actually put mine into a bottle that has glass on it. This is my cellulite melt away. Every time I get out of the bath or shower, I'm going to be putting this on my body. I like to use this on my problem areas each time I get out of the bath or the shower. I just shake it up and then I massage it topically on my bum, hips, and thighs. I was so excited when in less than a month, I noticed how smooth my legs got. It only takes a few minutes to massage it in those problem areas. It's simple to add to your shower routine and it feels so refreshing. I've added a link in the description to make it easy to order everything you need for the Cellulite Melt Away in one place. It has fractionated coconut oil, 3.89 ounce bottle, and the 15 milliliter bottle of MetaPower, and it comes with a pump that fits perfectly in your fractionated coconut oil bottle. So you can get it all in one place and get started reducing cellulite from those problem areas in the convenience of your own home. Remember to be consistent as you use the Cellulite Melt Away. You'll be amazed at the difference you'll see in just 3 to 4 weeks as it melts away that stubborn cellulite. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons for more natural solutions about your health and home life. If you'd like to know more about how to use essential oils, don't forget to look for my link in the free guide called The Mom's Guide to Essential Oils in the description. Go ahead and grab yours for free today. Until next time, take care and keep embracing natural wellness. See you in the next video.